Combined team of NAB and NCB destroyed poppy plants estimated to be worth around 6 crore rupees. Chief Minister Biren says TV channels will be utilized to sensitize people on various government schemes. Minister Karam Shyam calls on the Youth for Nation building at the 4th Intercollegiate Youth Festival. Skills development to be imparted at Central Agricultural University. Health Minister Januaray seeks people's support to ban tobacco products, a source for cancer. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchum, bringing you the top stories. A combined team of Narcotic Affairs and Border NAB and Narcotic Control Bureau NCB destroyed poppy plants grown on 98 acres of land estimated to be worth around 6 crore rupees today. Upon getting a tip-off from a reliable source, the team comprising of around 150 persons, including IRB Commando, Imphal East and Imphal West and BDF personnel, led by SP NAB W. Basu, with the help of NCB, rushed at Kolui Chingsang of Tingzang village in Kangpopi district to find stretches of poppy plants grown on around 98 acres of land in Kolui Chingsang, which is located around 2.5 hours away from the village. The poppy plants were cut off and destroyed. Poppy plants grown on 1 acre of land can produce 10 kg of kani, estimated to be worth around 70,000 rupees. The poppy plants grown in over a stretch of 98 acres of land would produce around 900 kg of kani.
Acre khudingi 10 kg opium yield tawi, and 10 into 98, there is around 980 kg opium destroyed to Saman. My market value the paisa in Pathogadi, Moja 1 kg costs around 70,000. That is 980 into 70,000, that comes around 6 crore 86 lakhs, and mine destroyed to a low way. Sina we NABga NCB type to Satava and Hizi Ahan drive ni, Aduna Makata drive Satarakani with information lady Zagazaga Huichalaga sing with drive Kiam Satarakini.
Chief Minister Nongthong Biren stated that TV channels will be utilized to sensitize the people on various schemes of government departments in the state. He made a statement while addressing media persons today at the Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara on the occasion of the First People's Day or Miyam Gindomit of the year, initiated by the BJP-led state government, to be held on the 15th of every month. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren attended grievances of many people who attended today. He gave instructions to officials concerned to carry out necessary measures to redress their grievances. Biren also asserted that his government has taken various welfare schemes and projects for the people in the state, and especially for the disabled and people living below the poverty line. However, people are not fully aware of all these schemes and projects, due to which they are still facing various inconveniences as they are yet to avail the benefits. The Chief Minister disclosed that TV channels will be utilized to create awareness about these schemes and projects by sending various experts from government departments to take part in TV discussion program at the earliest. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister also said arrangements are ready as a part of the new health scheme in the state to benefit 10,000 beneficiaries of the Chief Minister's Gi Haksel Gi Tingbang scheme on January 21st.
So disabled singi or equigi kaino singi soto river singi. I quite a piriba holdoiba schemes in Jimoy department that's at Laga. Department give me na convince of Wasida. Loina Tumbangam the Mamale. Oh, she publicity Jakara what Mamale. Aduna Hanjalaga Laxan Bayo. TV discussion the Karida, Quigi department gi expression the Targa. I couldn't always skim Jini, Madudagi si Homes Fangani, Madudagi si Satu high nursing Bazikara. Kitang I quite the Madugi part, Kitang what Padong Toy. I don't know Madu I was high gray. Haying the own word. I quite lawn service schemes in Mapam Sana. DC the Gifanga Banasi, adagi hospital state ki hospital thingda phangadabna si pharmacy sa phangadabna si adagi thabak ki phangadabna loan phangadabna si ana tang nauna mo advertisement amatang kitang tawsi ana ba adumaina hainare adu
Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Namcha Kipgen also interacted with the people on the occasion of the first Myanmar of the year at her residential quarter in New Secretariat Office, Lumpville. Police raised issues facing them of two departments under the minister. Namcha also assured that she would take possible steps to solve the problems. Altogether, around 80 people came with the grievances on the occasion. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam asserted that the youth play an important role in the development of a nation and a vision of our country lies in their hands. Karam Shyam was speaking at the inaugural event of the three-day 4th Intercollegiate Youth Festival at the auditorium of the Central Agricultural University today. He said it is imperative that the youth convert their angst, passion, dream and talent into resources for a better society. The minister said there are still many communal riots and atrocities around the world which can now be regarded as a global village with the advancement of science and technology. He also said that we will still hear of discrimination against the people of the Northeast within the country. Karam Shyam maintained that peace can prevail in the country only when there is harmony, cooperation, acknowledgement of human values and understanding among the different ethnic groups. He said the northeastern states lag behind in many aspects in comparison to other states of the country. The minister maintained that it is time the youth work harder and make use of the talent for the development of the state.
Such an event, which is being organized here, will give an opportunity to share and exchange knowledge among our youths to work out a joint strategy and the planning for taking part in evading our backwardness. I believe that with our passion, dream, hopes, you will definitely work out and suggest us as a great idea during your gathering here. Please work out an idea. We are ready to take your ideas.
Speaking on the occasion, Vice Chancellor of CAU Imphal, Professor M. Premjit said the university will include skill development training program to provide facilities to students for acquiring skill trainings rather than just formal education to enable them to employ themselves. Premjit said that CAU, which was established in 1993, has been able to produce good students and bring pride for the Northeast in the last few years. He said that the university was conferred 7 national awards in 2017 and 85% of the students from the college secured jobs in government and semi-government departments. 13 colleges from different northeastern states under the Central Agricultural University except Assam are taking part in the Youth Festival.
It is my appeal to our beloved students and beloved our teachers. Kindly concentrate in your studies, particularly to our learned faculty members, not only in teaching, research and extension education. We have to give more emphasis on technology transfer in very remote areas and hill districts and villages, and we have to work together with the farmers so that the income of the farmers of the northeastern region, as Honorable Prime Minister has already promised, it should be doubled by 2022 within 5 years. That is why our responsibility is more. And another dream of the Honorable Prime Minister, the second Green Revolution, it should be initiated from the Eastern India, particularly from the northeastern region.
We have a breaking news. 2 powerful blasts occurred this evening amidst the tight security measures ahead of the Republic Day in the heart of Imphal city. Just 5 minutes after a Chinese hand grenade exploded around 6 p.m. at M sector adjacent to Governor Bungalow, another powerful IED exploded near the road adjoining the wall of Johnstone Higher Secondary School, just 20 meters away from the sector. A worker of Municipal Corporation worker was injured in the blast. She has been rushed to Rast Medicity. Health Minister L. Januaray has asserted that tobacco products should be banned to prevent cancer and has sought for people's support for the same. Speaking further at an event organized by Directorate of Health Services, Manipur State Health Society, Manipur and Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, on dissemination of state data of Global Adult Tobacco Survey 2 at RIMS Jubilee Hall today, Januaray maintained that it is very difficult to give up on tobacco products once one starts using it. He said uncontrolled usage of tobacco products can lead to cancer. He appealed those who have not tried tobacco products not to use it at all. Januaray also highlighted the plight of the governments both at the center and the states in fighting cancer. He called on the people to have an insight and give up tobacco products, which is a source of cancer, the treatment for which is very expensive. The 36-month-long higher diploma in cooperative management course held by the Institute of Cooperative Management, ICM, Imphal, concluded today. The course was held specially for cooperative inspectors and auditors to enable them to handle cooperative societies. Speaking at the valedictory program held at ICM Conference Hall, Director of ICM, Dr. N. Ranjana, stated that the course commenced on July 15th last year with 36 participants. She said the course highlighted on various topics including legal aspects, financial management, human resource management, communication skills, organizational behavior, etc. Taking part at the event, renowned economist of the state, Professor N. Mohendra asserted that a cooperative inspector should be able to guide a cooperative society with the dual qualities of friendliness and leadership. He added that cooperative inspectors should be able to interact and communicate well, especially with villagers living in remote areas of the state. He lamented that due to lack of regular reviews of the societies, many defunct societies are still enlisted as cooperative societies in the state.
Inspectors one is friend, philosopher and a guide. You are meeting ignorant members of the cooperative society. And Ranjana has said motivation is very important. I think registration must be review to which you will but if the home charter can inspector the time. According to failure, secretary gets a home to me. Policy failure, operational failure, the planning the failure.
Manipur Pollution Control Board conducted smoke emission tests on vehicles and monitored noise levels in Imphal city today. Many vehicles were found emitting harmful levels of smoke during the tests. The level of noise in the city was also found to be a little above the optimum level. The team led by Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakishore, including environment engineers, conducted a smoke emission test on vehicles plying on Governor Road, Maharani Bridge and near BT Park. Addressing media persons in connection with the test conducted today, Chairman of the board, L. Radhakishore, said, following the test results, efforts will be on to sort out and ban vehicles which are not maintained properly. He said strict vigil will be kept on bikes like Royal Enfield with loud noise. Radhakishore assured the public that there will be no more vehicles emitting excessive smoke and disturbing sounds in Imphal by this March.
Miui Mamada Dakar Ladiba, Ishingi Nungsitki, Chang Sina, permissible level to Helagadi Akoi, Hingbanga Moidova, Atobazagamada, Homogi Kudong Tibado, Lakadabanina Masi, established local Sabani, Uziki Hariba, Moro and a motorcycle, the youth in the Tower City, by Mars the Amon Uraroi, Madu is local Charagan.
Free acceleration Torga, Sienma Matamda, Aquina Pangadaba, Magi maximum permissible limit 65 headtrace as small unit chini. Mari Yamadi 75 Pangba, IT Pangba, 60 ga 9 Pangba. Aduga even ITI Pangbu Yawi. And a Manipur Chiliba, Gari, Octorisho, Low in Maxi, Olagadi, permissible limit to Henba Gari Mayama Yaugani.
When a Pangba results a Pungamada, a Bresa, a decibel, LEQ and high, 73.5 decibels Pangi, Masida Pangam Topori 65 decibels ni. Governors wrote when a Masi silent zone in Logze, and the Masida when a Pangado results 50 decibels, Kaltani, Madubu, 75.5 decibels Pangi Masin.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar asserted that everything will be in vain if our natural environment is not protected, all the while when we are focusing on ourselves. Joykumar was speaking at the 20th Foundation Day celebration of Ruda Academy in Thawbal. He stressed the role of parents and teachers in shaping children's future. He called for the need to understand students' sentiments while dealing with them. A booklet of the Academy was released and prizes were distributed to toppers of the Academy at the event.
Like Papa Panning the Vice, come to get the like Super Panu, come to get the like a Paniba. I come to the command of Kangan Gade to get Hypersiki means some sin of a cotton say, Masi, I'm thinking that cover. Like Papa, Yadama, and Missika, come to the come to get in Talib. I'll come to the command of Kangan and Kangan Sige, Hypersay. Masi is the duty of not only of the teacher, but I think it's the duty of the parents also.
Mountain Gym Fitness Center felicitated bodybuilder Thokchom Gyananandra Meitai, who backed the 56th Junior Mr. India 2018 title. Ajay Thaunaujam and Koijam Sashrikanta, who backed second positions in the 65 kg category of Junior Mr. Khamba 2017 and Senior Mr. Khamba 2017 respectively, were also felicitated with gifts at the reception ceremony held at the center in Thangmaiban Hijam, Dewan Laikai. It may be mentioned that Thauchom Gyanandra backed the champion of the champions title at the 56th Junior Mr. India 2018 held at Jaipur, Rajasthan on January 2nd. The authority of Mountain Gym also gave the facility to work out at the gym free of cost to the three bodybuilders. A team led by DSP Commander Imphal West Amit conducted door-to-door search operation early this morning from 6 a.m. to 7:10 a.m. at Thangmaiban, Sinam Laikai. Around 50 houses were checked and occupants verified. One bailed-out Kasibikada were verified during the search. He is identified as Laishram Ongbi Mimota, wife of Laishram Nanau. She owns a shop. House of One began allegedly working at Finance Department of Proscribed Outfit PLA was also searched. He was not at home. No arrest was made during the operation. A public meeting was held to ensure proper conduct of developmental works under MG, NREGA and PMAY in areas under Samaran Gram Panchayat and Thawbal district yesterday. Social workers KH Maipak and Thawcham Ukil were present at public meeting held at Samaram Mayai Laikai public ground. The public meeting took 7-point resolutions including investigations of various works of job card holders of the Gram Panchayat before renewing their job cards, to detect fake signatures signed on behalf of job card holders in the master role, to call on the government to tally the number of job card holders and the number of working days allocated people, and Pradhan to jointly monitor construction of houses under Pradhan Mantri Awaj Yojana, etc. All Manipur Entrepreneurs Association launched 5 days Entrepreneurs Development Training Program for women weavers in the state today. Many women weavers coming from various places in the state took part in the training program held at the conference hall of MSME Development Institute in Thakil. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the felicitation program of Manipur State Sumang Lela Council. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Manipur State Shumanglila Council felicitated Yangam Leirak Nupi Shumanglila Lup, which backed many prizes at the International Multilingual Play, Dance and Music Contest at the Boyama Shumanglila Shanglin Palace Compound today. The contest cum festival named Krishna Rang Mahotsav was held at Vrindavan in Mathura from January 3rd to 6th, organized by Mohan's Abhinaya Sanskritik Sansthan. Chairperson of Sumanglila Council Padma Shri awardee Warepa Nabha, renowned Sumanglila Director K3 Jugindro, lifetime President of the Council PH Gunachandra were among those present on the occasion. The Council congratulated the leader of the Sumanglila Lup, who is also the President of the Council, and her group. A large number of women stormed More police station after two unidentified men challenged the dignity of a woman. The incident took place at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2. This afternoon, a Muslim woman who was heading from Nampaklong Market, Myanmar, was allegedly stopped by the two men and started frisking her. The frisking allegedly started on the pretext that she had some incriminating articles, only after they were told that she had some cash which was collected by her husband after selling two-wheeler vehicles in Myanmar. Manipur Labour Union has set up Manipur Confederation Chamber of Commerce Industry MCCCI and Manipur Labour Investment Bank MLIB today. Cultural Workers and Activists Forum in a press release notified that a meeting to set up an apex body for culture was held at Nongnemtsang NT Theatre in Changangai Uchikon Airport Road on January 13th. The meeting, attended by many people and representatives of different cultural groups from both the hills and valley regions in the state, also sat up an executive body comprising of 23 representatives of different disciplines of culture. The press release says the executive body will be further expanded on January 20th. A book co-authored by Dhanabir Lashram and Devarani Ningombam entitled Political Participation was released today at Lamyan Bashanglan Palace Compound. The book, containing 197 pages, is divided into 7 chapters that highlights the political movements in the state right from the inception. Various historic events including women's movement in the state, Thaubal incident, Januaray, and many other remarkable events are penned down in the book. One of the author, Dhanabir Lashram, during the release said the book will be easy to read and will help enlighten some of the remarkable historic movement of the state. Co-author of the book, Dhanabir Lashram, asserted that the book will be of great benefit, especially for those in the field of politics. Dhanabir Lashram is a guest faculty member in Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Regional Center, Manipur, and Devrani Ningombam, a postgraduate in political science from Amity University, Noida.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯅꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯆꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯖꯤꯠ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯨ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯟꯕꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯇꯤꯍꯥꯁꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜꯅꯤ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ 1917 to 1919ꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯔꯦꯕꯦꯂꯤꯌꯟ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯊꯔꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯈꯝ ꯁꯅꯥꯖꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤ Kuki Sinausinga Kuki War of Independence, when in Ningsing Matumda, no mother Susiakam Sanazogi, what is Libby Dale. Aduga, Tasimba, Ihuzigi, Makok Master Brain, Quaiti Makokti, Hosiki Kumbi, the lady was Siakam Sanazo.
The 103rd birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlu will be observed at Rani Gaidinlu Park in Chingmairong on January 26. Ahead of the day, Kabui Mother Association will carry out cleanliness drive at Rani Gaidinlu Park in Chingmairong. General Secretary of Kabui Mothers Association Ranjita Golme appealed the people in the state to take part in the birth anniversary observance. 6 Assam Rifles of 9th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGR South carried out a cleanliness drive jointly with local Maira Paibis at St. Chingamathak and its adjoining areas of the company operating base. The cleanliness drive was conducted in connection with the upcoming Republic Day celebration and to create awareness among the locals about the importance of cleanliness, proper waste disposal, uses of toilets and no use of polythene bags. Altogether, 35 Maira Paibis and 40 persons from the St. Chingamathak company operating base took part at the drive. On the other hand, a medical team of 31 Assam Rifles conducted a demonstration of first aid and paramedics at a local church in Aishi village of Ukhrul district yesterday. The locals were advised on the ill effects of excessive liquor consumption and substance abuse. Basic first aids in case of fracture, head injury, burns, snake bites and other similar incidents were demonstrated by the team. Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited in a press release said Ningthakong Substation, Khairakpam Substation and Utlau Substation under MSPDCL will power off from 11 a.m. till 1 p.m. on January 16 for maintenance work of Ningthakong 132 by 33 by 11 kV substation. All India Tazim in Insaf in the press release urged the state government and local MLA of Lilong constituency to repair the roads affected by the last floods in the constituency before the onset of monsoon. And now the sport news. Jamshedpur will meet Kerala Blasters in the match of the ongoing 4th Indian Super League 2017-18 football tournament on Wednesday. The match will commence at 8 in the evening at JRD Tata Sports Complex, Jamshedpur. In a league match played yesterday at Mumbai Football Arena, Mumbai, Kerala Blaster beat Mumbai City 1-0. The winning goal of the Kerala Blaster was netted by Lian Hume in the 23rd minute of the match. Kerala Gokulam and Churchill brothers will lock horns in the I-League match today. The match will commence at 8 tonight at EMS Corporation Stadium, Kochigori. In an I-League match played yesterday, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Shillong Minerva Punjab beat Shillong Lajong 1-0. The winning goal of Minerva Punjab was netted by William Opoku Aseitu in the 58th minute of the match. All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association (AFIMPA) will organize the 4th 9A-side invitational football tournament for those in film industry at Pamya Ground in Patsoi Part No. 2 from February 2nd till 8. The association has assigned actors R.K. Kaiku and his Jambala as a brand ambassador. Speaking to me, the person said AFIMPA office in Wangkai Agngom Leikai, secretary of the association, K.H. Isomani said the football tournament is organized to bring closer the film associations in the state to promote healthy lifestyle and prevent the harmful effect of intoxicants abuse. Representatives from 14 associations under Film Forum Manipur will take part in the tournament to be held under the theme No to Drugs and Yes to Life.
2014 dagi hona leptana satharakpa film fraternity khatagi oiba koi football tournament koi marirak subo oina andaki sahi asigi oina 2018 gi oina February gi tang ani dagi February tang nipan phawba pasoi da leiba pasoi part 2 da leiba Pamyan ground da pangthokpa horagani haiba tournament asi pangthokpagi maruiba pandamdi aikhoi gi leijariba film gi oiba sangstan group sing asi amatoina lingjen manana kai chatminanaba film gi damakta khongho chatminaba ngamnaba gi damakta pangthok jabagni
Manipur ji gi India dosine world dosine ai sports ta sakta ri leba moibnina tung da hori bangang mem so message piraga hen afobo no tinjelaga sports um tinjelaga afobo nga mem han toroga adu hariba Manipur ji hena chakpa hena santi leba hena afob adi drug free oiba leba moinu bi damakta hoi site gi ngam mo na jeraga afobo society ma sem gi damakta ai tournament ji sinjabni na.
Before I end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. A combined team of NAB and NCB destroyed poppy plants estimated to be worth around 6 crore rupees. Chief Minister Biren says TV channels will be utilized to sensitize people on various government schemes. Minister Karam Cham calls on the Youth for Nation building at the 4th Intercollegiate Youth Festival skills development to be imparted at Central Cultural University. Health Minister Januaray seeks people's support to ban tobacco products, a source for cancer. And Manipur Pollution Control Board conducts smoke emission tests on vehicles and monitors noise level in Imphal city today.